we're going to use the build a word strategy with the FLoSS rule. Let's try it. The word is jazz. I like to listen to jazz music. The word is jazz. What's the word? Jazz. Let's go ahead and identify those phonemes in that word. Jazz. J, a, z. All right? J, a, z. I have 3 phonemes, so I have 3 lines here. J, a, z. Which grapheme represents that j sound? The J. What about a? The A. And the final phoneme is z. Which grapheme? The Z. But there's something special about this word. The FLoSS rule says that when the word ends in F, L, S, or Z, after a short vowel sound, we have to double this last letter. This is a short vowel sound. It ends in Z, so I have to double it. That's the FLoSS rule. Jazz. J-A-Z-Z. Jazz.